guys, this is CJ Strada and welcome to my channel. Today is January 20 and it is going to be the dispersed of Sinulog Festival and it's going to be procession later. So it's going to be a big day and it's very hot. Actually, it drizzled earlier, but right now it is very hot. And we are here at Plaza Independencia to eat our lunch. Gutom! Kaayos mo na mag-lechon me. Diba? Diba? Wala na tayo kumara kong tomato. So I have a major problem with my braces because one of my brackets got removed earlier. I don't know what happened, but probably during when I was asleep. I don't know. So I'll be having a hard time eating hard food this weekend, and I cannot go to the dentist clinic this weekend because it's Sinulog.
Ayaw,
Kumusta si Dudong Dave?
okay naman si Dudong Dave.
Okay na si Dudong Dave.
Ala.
Tani. Okay, so mo to mi sa Majalas Cross to meet the other member of Team Bang.
Rada.
Ala. Jadi ada mas.
Wala gitu. Wala man to ipakin mo to.
Pinahag pa yung gusto si Joy. Ayaw na lang. Hindi na ako takot.
Let's go. So it's the procession right now and it just started. It's Saturday just passed. And let's go 3, 2, 1. So the procession is done and we just made our exit and we are trying to find our way going to SM. Just don't forget to hit like and subscribe, share, peace and love. Dali! Wala nakasakay mo? Alright, naka-hits me madulong SM. Nahugaw dyan ko. Sige lang, pit senior. Puso na ihinan.
Pwede na may ganaw. Wala ko suot mo dito. Ito si Papot, lagi sila kasabot.
Guys, salamat. Dari lagi.
Sa lahok mo, lahok.
Tayo na dito para uggon. Dili mo lang madunggan yun kaya nandang iarang ba na naman music pag yun. Uwi na sila. Dili. So we are now here at SM City Cebu and then the group has been split up. Our mission is to find somewhere to eat dinner because we need to get out, go to our spot for the fireworks competition outside SM Cebu.
Asa man yung white towel ron?
Wala, waiting.
Kapat mo sir. Waiting mo sir.
So we are here at Kenny Rogers. Ay, moray na ibakante. Muban, puno. Si Kuya Libira ang order sa mga while ako si Ibig mula ko sa Bicadillo palit yung t-shirt for Sinulog tomorrow because ako lang isuot ako Sinulog shirt today. We will celebrate Sinulog tomorrow and cover Sinulog for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, share peace and love. Pete Senior.
Wala, nagkita lang kita.
Familiar. May tayo t-shirt eh. Bye! Taas mi ka dahag tao? Mamili sa me real quick. Thank you. Let's go back. And we are back. Idol eh.
Oh,
Makikuha no?
Hello guys, nakipag-meet up ko rin nila kayo, nagkuha akong t-shirt and of course, kanin pa pula sa buhok and basta, syempre, makalimtan ba na ako ang pag-meet up sa mga idol.
Huwag ibaw na siya.
Di-appeal pa ko nimo.
Next na.
15 minutes to go. 7 we have to go because the fireworks will start 15 minutes na. So meron ka ng fireworks competition sa Pyrofest Competition here at SM City Cebu. Napun yung focus o ano po. Wala gaulan. Wala di ay. Patulig sa kuday so I'll just keep my camera.
The board of judges are still putting their heads together. Who do you
So after fireworks, mga people ginisulod sa SM, then dati situation, di ba?
So wow guys,
Todo kamot. Pre-tetet. So, what's up? Okay. Oh, so wala, di pa may manguli. The fun doesn't stop there. We will scare ourselves to death. We'll watch the Insidious movie right now.
right now.
Live right now.
Did you know what guys? The fireworks is so and you know what guys, once again, the fireworks is so
Idol Wanderer, that wordpress.com.
That's it. Oh, no recording. Hello guys. I need to go. Bye. Go. Bye. Oh, so sad, but I need to go. Bye.
Okay guys, so ganahan pa ko mabuhi sa Cebu City. Ganahan pa ko mabuhi o ganahan pa ko maglaro-laro o magpunta sa akong vlogging live. So ako yung tagawa na akong camera kay kabawat bawal na dali sa sinihan. So don't forget to like and subscribe, share peace and love. Share peace and love. Bye-bye.